It's time to start another one. This one's next up on the chopping block. I'll get it over onto the stand and then I can give some history on this thing. That bike will occupy the space that this one was on. I just started it up and rode it a little bit. There we go. Here's some bonus footage. As much as I like two strokes, kind of like that sound too. So here we go. This is the next project. This is a 1985 RZ350 with a TZR250 3XV front end and rear end. I think I'm going to put that thing in the other building. Then I need to move that thing over to this stand, move this one over there, because I need to use my little fixture up here on the ceiling to take the front and rear end off of this thing. I've moved some motorcycles around. I'm hoping I have this stand centered on that bracket up there on the ceiling. A little bit of history on this bike. I bought it in the summer of 2014, just as you see it. It's been resting since then. I have several more boxes of parts. I'm not sure what all is in there. This bike was set up by Brian Turfrey way back when. The engine has been completely rebuilt. It has, well, let me get to the receipt. We got some of the highlights here. Replace bad gears and transmission. True and weld crankshaft pins. Port and polish cylinders. Grind 2 reed blocks. Cut and measure volume of 2 cylinder heads, make custom pipes to fit hone cylinders, fit new piston sets, labor, new pipes. I had to buy mufflers. Looks like a new clutch, new seals, new bearings, gaskets, spark plugs, washers, gaskets, oil seal. That's about it. So theoretically that engine is ready to rip, right? I'm going to take it out and tear it all down and reseal everything. The tank is in great shape, except for one tiny little dent here. I should be able to pull that out with my glue dent puller, right? First and foremost, I need to pull the engine, pull the front end, pull the rear end, so I can get this frame over to Julian's house for its first of probably several modifications. Let's get that harness removed. Disconnect everything. Done. Look at that. Actually, this harness looks to be in pretty good shape. Has the original part number tag on it and everything. Not bad, huh? Does it look any different? I just flipped it around. I took it outside and blew it off real good. Had a thick layer of dust. But I realized I'm going to have to address the chain. So I'll have to get that rear end jacked up and take the chain off.